Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. Anyways, today's video is going to be a DIY, like a back to school DIY with pins or something along those lines. So we're going to do like a pin DIY. I'm not exactly sure what this video is going to be called yet, so probably going to be either a pin DIY or back to school DIY with pins or pins DIY or something like that. So we're going to take them out of the package first. Anyways, these are from the Dollar Tree. Then what you're gonna need is, obviously you're gonna need some scissors, and you're gonna need pins, and then you're gonna need some sort of tape. This is from the Dollar Tree. It's like some tape you can get. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna first, if you want to know about how long you want it, and I'm not gonna cover up the colors on the pin, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to take and then wrap it around to see how much of the tape you want. I might cover up some of the color, but not like all of it. You're just gonna wrap it around until you get how much, maybe leave a little bit extra, and then you're gonna cut that. And then you're gonna take off the tape stuff that's on the back, and then you're gonna pull it off. Make sure you pull it all off. So we're just gonna some ASMR real quick there for you guys. If comments are turned on, comment if you have ever DIY'd school supplies before, and if you have, what were they? So then we're gonna take this, and then we're gonna wrap it around, and then you're gonna go up some, pull it up some, and then you can make it as ever smooth as you want, or however thick you want, and you're just gonna kind of roll it up, roll it up, roll it up, and you gotta kind of pull it tight as well whenever you roll it up, depending on how thick you want it or thin. Just gonna roll it up, roll it up, roll it up until you get there, and there you go. You have a DIY pin, and then you can take that off, and then the cap won't go on. Actually, it will, and then you can write with it, and there you go. You have a DIY pin. Now I'm gonna do a few more just to hopefully show you, make sure that this is angled, and feel free always. Make sure you get better focus for you. And then we're going to do some with this color one now. So you're going to need scissors just to cut the ribbon. And be careful with the scissors. Make sure you're always careful with the scissors. Make sure if you want to do this, make sure you do it supervised if you're a kid. Okay, so we're going to also do it on this pin. We're going to do the pink, like pinkish rose gold on this one. So we're going to wrap it around the pin, just to get kind of a quickish measurement. About how you want it. Okay, that's about good there. And then we're going to cut the ribbon. And we're going to do it on this pen. So you might as well subscribe if you made it this far into the video, and comments are turned on. Put I subscribed in the comments as well. So we're just going to do the same thing that we did with the first one, and then we're going to kind of go up some. And obviously, if you want to like add a flower or something on the ends, you could also make it a little bit different than what I'm doing to these ones. So it's going to keep pulling tight as you pull it, and add a little bit more each time. Hopefully that makes sense. See? And just keep pull it tight. And obviously, there's what that one looks like. Okay. Then we're going to use this color. And we're going to do, what color should we do this in? How about the orange one? We'll do this color. I think that's about that long, which should work. About 12 inches, I would think that would be. Maybe a little, like 11 inches. 11 to 12 inches will work if you're not doing the whole pin. So then we're going to pull off the tape, and then we are going to go ahead and stick it to there. Stick it to there, and 1 second, let it focus. Focus. Sorry if this is out of focus at all. Any of them. I'm going to try to make sure this is really good in focus for y'all real quick. 1 second. Sorry that it went out of focus, so we're just gonna take the tape and wrap it. And then you're gonna kind of do the same thing that we did on the first one. So we have like a mermaid flower one. See, and have that, and I can still stick the lid on them. That'll be right. And I think that I'm gonna maybe end the video here. 1 second. Let's see if I can't find the other pin that I did. So there's those two. Oh, so here they are. I think I'm just gonna do those three. I might on this video, so I might DIY the rest of them later. So anyways, these are what they look like. I think they look super cute, and like obviously then you know that they're yours if you made these. So anyways, make sure you like and subscribe down below if you like these sort of videos. So I'm gonna move the camera real quick just to kind of get a better view. And then I'm gonna zoom in a little bit just so you guys can kind of see what they look like. And then I'm gonna zoom out. So now I'm gonna pull the camera back just a little bit. If you made it this far, subscribe and say I subscribed in the comments down below. And also put if you would like to see a different DIY or another DIY, or what type of videos you would like to see on my channel in the comments as well below. Anyways, thank you all for watching. And return a subscriber, thank you so much. See y'all. Have a great, beautiful, wonderful day.